ocean. As of 2 years ago, a piece of ice broke off that had fallen off of one of the ice shelves in 1986, and then finally broke free of whatever rock it was on. It's larger than the state of Delaware, and it's been floating around the Southern Ocean for 2 years now, so it's the largest free moving thing on Earth. That's iceberg A23A. But these are, oh, another cabin over there. Okay, that's supposed to be the hot spot. We'll head that way. Those are just the terms for a piece of ice that come off of glaciers. There's also sea ice. So this is all this ice here is fresh water sitting in salt water. If there's enough melt, there is a fine layer of fresh water on top. If that starts to freeze, it'll kind of turn into a slushy, and that's what's called freeze ice. From there, it'll kind of start forming fractal patterns into little six-sided figures, and that's called pancake ice. And then eventually, those will all merge and freeze over and create sea ice. These are pelagic cormorants, the blackbird flying right to left. Yeah, so interesting thing, cormorant versus shag. If you're in England, they're two different birds. If you're anywhere else in the world, they can be interchanged. But in England, there's a specific shag and a specific cormorant.
Factoid for the day.
Yeah. Yeah. They're very successful species. Yeah, even Antarctica has cormorants. Pardon? Yes.
And it's so weird to see them with their feet.
Yeah, the webbed feet. Yeah. They've probably seen the same about us. Yeah. Like, oh, they're all over the ground and they make such a big mess. Yeah, cormorants are actually really fascinating. They're one of the longest unchanged species of birds that we have alive today. They've been the way they are for something like 49 million years. That completely unchanged. All the fossils of cormorants exactly the same. But that's also why a small cabin over here. Maybe I'll just kind of park in this middle so we can see both of these guys going off.
They're the only dinosaurs we know of.
A few of them, yeah. But yeah, that's why. So cormorants, their feathers are not waterproof. They don't secrete an oil that waterproofs them like some of the other seabirds, because they actually get their feathers slightly wet so that they can dive deeper. And that's why when they come out from fishing, they sit on trees or posts or something, and they dry out their wings a little bit because they've been waterlogged. But because of that as well, their bones can remain light, so they're still able to fly much more efficiently. If you've seen the puffins, for instance, trying to fly, they look miserable. It looks like the highest heart rate you've ever seen, which it is. If they're resting, their heart rates are around 160